Reggae Vibes family. This is Sarita again, and I'm here after the show with Yuan from JaRIA and Stingray from JaRIA, President and Vice Chairman and Vice Chairman. So Yuan wears many hats. I've known him for a long time. But let's hear from you. What do you think about tonight? How do you feel about it? I don't know. You guys can take the mic.
You can take it.
Well, exactly. You want to perform. So I enjoy the show. It's a great show and a great concept. And thanks to the production team and Vonnie and her husband. I love the venue, the way they set up the venue. So it was refreshing. And of course, Leroy is a foundation of reggae music. You can't bypass. If the annals of reggae don't mention a Leroy Sybil's name and Eptone's, big disrespect. So I think it was a great show. And I'm really happy that I was able to be in Jamaica to be here.
Yeah, it was a beautiful feeling to be part of this crowning. There's a lot that people take for granted in what Leroy and his bass lines and his arrangements and the songs of the Heptones have given to reggae music. A lot of these things have inspired many other hit songs, have inspired songs by Taurus Riley, songs by Luciano, songs by so many people. And it is interesting that we get a chance to celebrate him while he can still sing, while he's still energetic, you know. I mean, we could have done with 2,000 more people in the venue, but you know, it is what it is. It is in the nature of the mercurial way that shows go these days.
Well, yeah, I think it's a displeasure to them not to be here. They missed out on a great event. Yes, so I think it's their loss. All who was there was very special, and I think they enjoyed the show immensely, and I can just see the reaction from the audience. They were waiting to see Leroy. They enjoyed the other performers. So all who didn't show up, they should be here.
Yeah, you should have been here for a great show. I mean, the design of the show, the way the show had really 5 acts. You know, it wasn't 900 artists. It is now 9 minutes to 1. And the show ended 20 minutes ago. You know, it can be done. We can do great shows in Jamaica. We can do reggae shows, and we can start them at a reasonable hour, and we can end them at a reasonable hour, and people can still go to church tomorrow. We can still go to work on Monday. You know, exactly, today, and can still go to work tomorrow. You know, so it's that kind of a thing, and for Leroy to do it after these 60 years in the business, and for him to give a 45-minute, 50-minute set with so much energy, you know, says a lot about his enduring legacy in the business.
So one of the things that we've been talking about is how to get the message out there. What kind of ideas do we have circulating amongst the people of JaRIA and amongst the musicians? What's the talk? What are we going to do to help to get the message out there, to help people to learn the history of the music?
Well, let me tell you, there is a challenge that we have. We tend to follow the hype. The hype has never gotten us anywhere. If you think back 40 years, 50 years ago, Bob Marley was not part of the hype. He's now our most enduring icon in reggae. We have to stop following the hype. Unfortunately, media also follows the hype. And print media, television, radio, new media, they follow the hype. Somebody has to make a decision that for the benefit of Jamaica and for the longevity of what we do, and for Jamaica to benefit properly from its place in global creative industries, our media need to see that if we make superstars, if we make mega stars out of our people, well, we have had a few mega stars, but we have not made any. We don't collectively come together and coalesce behind 3 or 4 acts a year and push them out to the world so that they can then carry the message, and then we find 4 more and push them out. And we are saying we need to collectively make some decisions about how we set standards and about how we support the greatness that we have. And until we do that, we'll be following the hype.
Pack it up, pull it up.
I definitely, the chairman has expressed that so eloquently. There's nothing to add, but I totally agree with the chairman that we need to stop for the hype. And how we going to do that? I think JaRIA need to get to the media. Because we keep, every reggae month, we keep forums talking about the history. We have several topics on past and the baton, mean that the established artists who established the Scatterlights, the Leroy Sibbles, the Lloyd Parks, pass the baton to the younger generation. We have these topics that we discuss, all going to pass the history on and down, because they always go back to the history. As you see tonight, all these songs, Leroy didn't even mention the original songs that he made the bassline. Well, a few, but they didn't even sing the original songs except for Waiting Slow, Things on Time, and Mighty Diamonds. But there's all those other bass lines was established songs, on the rhythm original before these other songs became popular. So it's very important, as I endorse exactly what the chairman said. The media need to stop following the hype. So that's the phrase.
We need to get JaRIA into media.
Definitely.
Correct. We need to just go back to the root of what has made us special, and we need to send that back to the world.
Exactly.
You know, because we worry about what Afrobeats is doing, we worry about what reggaeton is doing. Their media is making stars. Their media makes stars.
Yes.
Our media follows the hype. We need to stop it. We need to make stars. We need to look at quality. We need to set standards. We need to decide that this is what a reggae star must look like. And when we find somebody who can be that, we coalesce a team around that, and media carries it. And we send it out to the world so that Jamaica can take its rightful place as the mecca of reggae.
Agreed. Thank you guys for sitting down with us. And I guess you can give us a shout out.
So, I am Yuan,
I'm Stingray.
and JaRIA is saying, big up Reggae Vibes Media, big up New York, big up Atlanta, big up Miami, big up Jamaica, big up the world.
Yes.
Reggae Vibes Media is here to stay. And JaRIA says, big up Reggae Vibes Media. JaRIAentertainment.com is our website. And at JaRIA Entertainment is our handle on social media. And every fourth Wednesday, we will be on the Kingston waterfront at the Festival Marketplace. Every second Wednesday, starting September, we will be at Coral Cliff in Montego Bay. And we will have our Reggae Wednesdays jams. Come out. If you have any talent at all, bring it. If you do poetry, if you sing, if you DJ, if you play, come. We want to welcome you. We want to bring you into the fold. If you are in corporate Jamaica and you are interested in participating, if you just want to lime and chill with good musicians, with great music, just come and hang with us.
And if you have talent from corporate Jamaica, we'd like to see showcase your talent.
Correct. And if you want to support and sponsor what we're doing, feel free to
We
come.
need that sponsorship too. And JaRIA means Jamaica Reggae Industry Association. JaRIA.
Thank you guys.
When you're around, I enjoy every second of the time.
In my arms, this is the place that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready to keep you.